NEC thoroughly examine the state of the affairs of this nation and express as follows. Serious concern over the sorry and melancholic state of affairs of our nation under the irredeemably exploitative, insensitive, and anti-people APC administration of Bola Tinubu. NEC condemns the worsening insecurity, the wanton killings, banditry, kidnapping, marauding of communities, and other acts of terrorism in various parts of our country, emboldened by President Tinubu's apparent negligence and abdication of his constitutional duties to ensure safety and security of these citizens. NEC also laments the worsening economic hardship and extreme poverty in the country occasioned by the ill-advised and ill-implemented policies of the Tinubu administration, multiple taxes and unexplained charges on services, resulting in collapse of productive sector, closure of millions of businesses, massive loss of jobs, rise in criminality, and general sense of misery across the country. NEC also condemns the policy inconsistency, wholesale corruption, massive treasury looting, budget padding, and diversion of public funds that pervade the administration, resulting in infrastructure retrogression and loss of investors' confidence in our system. NEC restates the PDP demand that this administration should rescind all its anti-people policies and take practical steps to address the insecurity and economic recession in the country. Furthermore, NEC stands in firm resistance to the sinister plot by the Tinubu-led APC to turn Nigeria into a one-party totalitarian state, as evidenced in the desperate attempts to strip and annihilate opposition parties through open siege, threats, and intimidation of opposition figures and institutions of democracy in Nigeria. It is clear that this plot is born out of APC's mortal fear of inevitable defeat in 2027 due to its dismal failure in government. On the part of the PDP, NEC restates our party's belief in democracy, the rule of law, and the supremacy of the will of the people as expressed through their free and unhindered democratic participation in democratic politics and governance. The successful convening of the 99th NEC meeting clearly communicates our party's unity and focus, despite challenges. Passion NEC also received and ratified the composition of the Committee on the Zoning of National Offices ahead of the National Convention. The members of these zoning committees are Governor Doediri, Chairman, Governor Dauda Lawan, Vice Chairman, and Caleb Mufwan, Secretary. That's the zoning committee. The members of the National Convention Committee are Governor Ahmadu Umaru Bintri, Chairman, Governor Ademola Adelik, Vice Chairman, and Governor Peter Vice Secretary. NEC also received the resolution of the South Zonal Executive with regard to the issue of the National Secretary and to be considered and deliberate upon in the next NEC, which is slated for 30th soon. NEC reassures Nigerians that the PDP remains strong, resilient, united, and determined now, more than ever, before in leading the charge to rescue our nation from the vicious grip of APC administration. Thank you.